Welcome to our Green Acres and happy holidays, everybody. Thanks so much for coming over to our channel, and if you are new, my name is Teresa. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all a couple of decor pieces I'm going to make from some scrap wood. I'm also going to show y'all how to make some really cute little toboggan hats, and I'm going to give you an idea for a great gift for someone. If you're looking for a gift for someone special and you want it to be unique, this will be it. So y'all stay tuned. I hope y'all get lots of inspiration. If you're not already following me on my home decor Facebook page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. Project number 1. We're going to make some decor out of some scrap fence posts. These are some scraps that Ben had out in his workshop, and usually he throws this kind of stuff away. I was lucky to be out there that day when he cut these off, and before he threw them away, I was like, no, I want those. There were 3 of them, and there was one that was a little bit taller and 2 that were about the same size. So I'm going to chalk paint these. I'm going to distress them, and then I'm going to embellish them, and I'm going to set them out for Christmas. So the first thing I did was I used my candle wax method, and if you've watched any of my videos, you've seen me do that a dozen times. But you just put some candle wax on your base, and then you chalk paint over it, and then with a plastic scraper you can distress. You do not have to use sandpaper. And you'll see me in just a minute work on another project using this same method. But now I have chalk painted the fence posts and I distressed them. And towards the end of the video, I'll stage everything and show you how I embellish them. Now we're going to make a scrap wood hanger. This is a piece of board that I used for a previous project. I made a pedestal with some feet. I have removed the feet, and now I'm going to make a stocking hanger out of this. I ordered these hooks from Amazon. You get 10 to a pack for less than $12. I love these. I've had them for months and been dying to make a hanger out of them. So now I thought would be a great time, and I can hang stockings on it through Christmas. So I'm going to leave a link to these down in my description box. So if you're interested, the link will be there. Now here I am going over it with my candle wax, and then I chalk painted it with chiffon cream. And I'm just going over it with my plastic scraper. I'm going to leave the measurements to the board that I use. So if you don't have a piece of scrap wood, you could always go to Home Depot and Lowe's. Sometimes they have scraps for free, or they can cut you a piece. And it shouldn't cost a whole lot to get a piece this size. Now I've got Ben helping me. And we're basically just going to put a hanger in the center on the back of the board before we get started. Now he's measuring out how we want to space the hangers on the board. We ended up putting, I think, 4 hangers on, and we spaced them 4 inches apart, and I think we went 2 inches from the end. We're using the hangers as a template so we can mark our holes before we drill. Then we're going to pre-drill our holes. This rack will end up costing me less than $5 to make, since I'm repurposing the wood, and the hangers come 10 to a pack, and the pack was less than $12. So for less than $5, I'm going to have a great rustic farmhouse hanger. Hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please hit that like button. It really helps out our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd love for you to. Now this is such a cute little project. We're going to make some little toboggan hats. These are so cute. You want to start out with a toilet paper roll or a paper towel, or you could even use a gift wrap roll. And I'm going to take some yarn, and I cut mine about 14 inches long, which mine's going to be extra long. I'd rather be too long than too short, because I can always trim at the end. But basically you're just going to loop it over the little toilet paper roll that we cut, and you'll just want to just go ahead and loop all the way around it. Now once you are done wrapping the whole toilet paper roll, you want to take a couple of cotton balls, and first we're going to push all of that, all those tails through the other end, and that way it'll kind of make you a band for your little toboggan. And once you get all that pushed up in there, just take a couple of cotton balls and put those up in there, and that way it'll just kind of give the little hat some form and give it some shape. Once you get those in there, just kind of bunch it up at the top, and we're just going to get a piece of yarn and we're going to tie it off in a knot. And now you just want to trim off the ends, make the little pom-pom on the end. These little hats are so cute. Now, if you want to embellish it, you can. I'm about to make another one and show you, and I embellished it. This is the one that I made out of some more. This was more of a fuzzy, real soft yarn that I had, and I love it. It's kind of an Angora type yarn, so it's a little bit fluffier than the other yarn I used. So basically, again, I'm just tying it around in a knot, and then I'm going to trim off the little palm at the top. And then after I get done, I'm going to put a little embellishment on, and I'm going to use an embellishment that I've showed how to make. There's a video, and I'll link the video at the end. And in my description box, I had to make these little rosettes. But I'm just going to put a little rosette on this one. And I think this is so cute. If you want to use these for ornaments, or you could, make one for your kids. You could even do them in colors, that would gear more toward if you have, a son, for boys. I think these would be so good paired on their gifts, and then that way they could keep these for years, and just always have them to put on their Christmas tree too. And you could always give these for gifts. I think this is just such a cute and unique idea, and these are so easy and quick to make. It didn't take me no time to make these.
Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
I want to introduce y'all to a great gift idea if you need one. I have partnered with Rose Forever of New York before and received their roses months ago, and they're still beautiful as the day I received them. I've received some more from them, and I'm going to show you in just a minute how I stage them with some things, just how beautiful these roses are. These would be so pretty up under anybody's Christmas tree, and anybody would love to get these for a gift. I'm going to leave a discount code down in my description box. They're going to offer all of my viewers a discount. So if you go out to the website and shop, you will see that they have 4 different sizes of roses to pick from. They have a single mini collection. They have 9, 16, or 36 count roses per box. All the boxes are very elegant velvet suede. You'll see mine is the pink suede, and you can also get in black. The shape of the boxes come in round or square. My neighbor ordered some of these for her daughter for her birthday. Her daughter absolutely loved them. And I don't think anybody would be disappointed with these. They're absolutely gorgeous. I also want to add, I said they come in pink and black. They also have a new crystal collection. So if you're looking for a really unique gift for Christmas, these can be delivered straight to your recipient, because I know this Christmas will probably be a little bit different than a lot of us, because we won't get to be, together with family like we normally do. So if you need something, to ship to your family member or that special loved one, I think these would be great. So when the video's over, I hope you'll go out and shop their website and look at all their beautiful roses. And don't forget to use our Green Acres 15 discount code.
Place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic
I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you enjoyed seeing all the projects that I worked on, and I hope you got a lot of Christmas inspiration. Don't forget to go out and click on the link below and go out to Rose Forever New York and shop their roses. You won't be disappointed. They hand-pick their roses and they preserve them with natural oils, which these roses will last up to 1 year. So they're absolutely gorgeous. I hope y'all all have a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday Season to everybody. If you know anyone that would enjoy this video, please share it with your friends and family. And as always, y'all, I love y'all and I hope y'all have a great week. And God willing, I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching, y'all.